Well, welcome back. We are back in Dave's. It is I think it's day 8 today on the Fillmore project. So we're going to bust into some things. I think we'll probably do some more picture taking this time. A lot of it's just cleaning right now as we get ready to get everything back together, making sure we have all the right parts. And then we were just talking about ordering battery cables and things so we can go ahead and start testing the motor and all the wiring harness, which will be pretty cool. I'm excited about that. So hopefully it's a good day. We'll do some filming. Shop boss is here to do inspecting and things. So that's always great when she's here. So joy is the joy of my life. That's for sure. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe, let us know how we're doing. And most definitely, thanks for watching. Well, welcome back. I was working on getting this one spindle cleaned up, which it's coming along pretty well. Got a little bit more to do. I'm going to go see if I can get hand wire brushes because my batteries are running a little low, but I've got one cooking right now. So I did manage to get the other one clean, starting to keep everything a little bit more organized, getting everything in boxes, totes, buckets, labels on everything, which is nice. So this was the other one I just got cleaned up and it looks really good. So hopefully I can get that one in that state, and then I might go ahead and grab some of these pieces that are waiting for some paint and primer and take it back to our shop at the ranch and spray them there. So I might go ahead and load up some of this to take with me. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Just a lot of pictures. It's just a lot of cleaning right now, getting rust and dirt and mud and everything off. Once we get everything disassembled, cleaned, and sprayed and painted, we'll get everything, start putting everything back together. Anyways, thanks so much for tuning in. Wow, welcome back. We're finishing up day 7 here. Got the front sway arms disassembled, got most of the front spindles cleaned up and ready. I'm going to take a bunch of parts back with me to go ahead and get them painted and primed, or primed and painted, back at the shop at the ranch. So that'll be pretty good. It's just been a lot of disassembly, a lot of cleaning up parts, so it's maybe not the funnest thing to watch right now, but hopefully as the parts parts get done and we get them primed and painted, we can start going ahead and reassembling everything. Pretty much have everything broken down at this point, which is really nice. So if you haven't yet, like, comment, subscribe, let us know how we're doing, and most definitely, thanks for watching.